Good morning everyone. I am your Shobha Mataji. Today I will teach divisibility test by 3, 6 and 9. First let us see divisibility test by 3. Okay, here I have written multiples of 3. They are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on. So these are all multiples of 3. If I divide these numbers by 3, I get 0 remainder. Then we tell that 3 is factor of all these numbers. Okay. Now to check the divisibility of a number by 3, a number should be multiple of 3. If the given number is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3 also, because that number, if we divide that number by 3, we get 0 remainder. That is, if we divide the number by 3, we should get 0 remainder. I have written here that. Okay, so here I have written notes and steps which helps you to understand whenever you go through the notes. Okay, easy method to check the divisibility of a number by 3 is we have to add the digits of the number. Like this I have written here. Means what is the meaning of this and what is the purpose of doing that. Now, advantage of learning divisibility test is that without wasting time, within a minute we can find the answer. Here by using this method we can find the answer. Means without doing, or instead of going for long division method, by adding the digits of the number itself we can tell that the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Now, if example, let us see one example. 34,569 is the given number. Add the digits of this number, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9, which is equals to 27. By adding the digits of the numbers we get 27. So here explanation I have written. Now divide 27 by 3. Okay, 27 by 3. The answer is 9 with 0 remainder. If we divide any number by 3 and if we get 0 remainder, then that number is said to be divisible by 3. So we can conclude that the number 34,569 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now let us see another example. Here, test divisibility of 33,672 by 3 is the question. Now, here, what we have to do? First, we have to add the digits of the number. That only I have written here. Now, 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 are the digits. 3, 3, 6, 7, 2. You have to add all that digits and you will get 21 you will get. 21 is there in table 3, isn't it? So 21 is divisible by 3 and we get 0 remainder. So 21 is there in the table 3, or 21 is there in the table 3, therefore 33,672 is divisible by 3. Like this you have to write the answer. Example 2. Test divisibility of 8,756 by 3. Once again what you have to do? Add the digits of the number, that is 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6. How much you will get? 26. Is 26 in table 3? No. Divide 26 by 3. What will you get? You will get quotient 8 with remainder 2. If you get a remainder, that number is not divisible by 3. So here we get remainder 2, that is 26 is not there in the table 3. So 8,756 is not divisible by 3. Like that you have to write. Okay. Now let us move to divisibility by 6. Here 6 is equals to 2 into 3. Right? All of us know. 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6. And 6 is multiple of 3 also. to check the 6 is multiple of 3 also, 6 is multiple of 2 also. Here looking here we can understand 2 into 3 6 means 6 is multiple of 2 also, multiple of 3 also. Here I have written only 3, you can add 2 also. Okay, to check the divisibility of a given number by 6, what we have to do? Now we have to check the divisibility by 2 and 3 both. For a given number, we have to check divisibility by 2 and 3 both. If that number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then that number is divisible by 6 also. Like this. Now see, if given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6 also, because 6 is multiple of 2 and both 2 and 3. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, since 6 is multiple of both 2 and 3, if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then 6 is also divisible by 6 is also factor of that number, no? So that number is divisible by 6 also. Now let us see example 1. Check the divisibility of 23,478 by 6. Now first what you have to do? No need to go for long division method here also. Anywhere the advantage of divisibility test is that only. There is a trick that you have to use. Now just you have to see whether this number is divisible by 2. To check that you have to see what you have to do. In previous video you have learnt that. Just you have to see unit place of the given number, that is 8, that is even. So in units place even number is there, so this is divisible by 2. We have to check for divisibility by 2 means then check for divisibility by 3. Since the number is even number, in units place even number is there means whole number is even number, it is divisible by 2. Next, to check by 3, since it is divisible by 2, you have to check for 3 also. So add the digits, that means to check divisibility by 3 we have to add the digits of the number, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8, which gives 24. So 24 is there in table 3 and 24 is divisible by 3, like that I have written here, 24 is divisible by 3. Therefore this given number is divisible by 2 also, it is divisible by 3 also. Therefore 23,468 is divisible by 6 also. Okay, is your answer. Next, example 2. Check the divisibility of 42,679 by 6 is the question. Now here in units place 9 is there. This is 9 is odd number, so whole number is odd. Now odd number cannot be divided by 2 because 2 is even number, so odd number cannot be divided by 2, means this number is not divisible by 2. 42,679 is not divisible by 2. Therefore no need to check for 3, because to tell that this given number is divisible by 6, the condition is it must be divisible by 2 and 3. By both 2 and 3 it must be divisible. Therefore since it is not divisible by 2, you no need to check for 3. Just you have to write this number is not divisible by 6. Only that much enough. Here the number is odd. I have written. Reasons you have to write. Here the number is odd. To tell the given number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by both 2 and 3. But this number is not divisible by 2. Therefore 42,679 is not divisible by 6. Like this you have to write the answer. Okay. Now let us see examples for this divisibility test by 9. Let us see. Okay. Okay. Divisibility test by 9. Now here once again let us see, 9 is multiple of 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. And also if we divide any given number divided by 3 or 9, it must be divisible with 0 remainder. Okay, now see, because here 9 is equals to 3 into 3 is there. Next by 6 came, no? Divisibility test by 9. Now let us see, here descriptions are there. See here, here 9 is equals to 3 into 3 and also 9 is multiple of 3. So divisibility test of a number by 9 is similar to divisibility test by 3. Here only the thing is, method is same, you have to add the digits of the number, everything is same, but the sum must be divisible by 9 instead of 3. That number must be divisible by 9. Only the difference is that. Okay, only the thing is that the sum of the digits of the number must be divisible by 9. Here I have written. Okay, now let us see the examples. Check the divisibility of a number, this 3,45,978 by 9. Once again I am telling, no need to go for long division method, it takes more time. So within a minute you can find this by adding the digits of the number. Means add the digits of this number, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8. How much you will get? 36. Sum is 36. 36 is divisible by 9, isn't it? 9 4s are 36, or 36 is there in table 9. Therefore given number is divisible by 9. 3,45,978 is divisible by 9 is your answer. Okay, now let us see another example. Check the divisibility of 78,953 by 9. Once again what you have to do, add the digits of the number. How much you will get? 32 you will get. 32 is not divisible by 9. Why? Because 32 is not there in table 9. So therefore how much you will get? What is your answer? Not sorry, what is your answer here? Is not divisible by 9 is your answer. Here we get remainder. That is why you have to tell that it is not divisible by 9. Okay, is that clear? And in the next video I will teach you divisibility test by 5, 10 and 11. Okay, by 7 also we can find, but instead of going for divisibility test, simple division is only better for 7, because divisibility test only takes more time. So no need to learn that divisibility test by 7. Okay, now you have to copy all these notes in your fair. Then here in the next page I have given you homework questions. See, homework questions. Check the divisibility of this okay, now homework questions are here. 1 minute, something happened there. Okay, homework questions, you have to solve this in your fair note only with the heading homework questions. Okay, now here four questions related to by 3, by 6 and by 9 are given. You have to solve that and you have to understand this, you have to practice this. Okay, after completing all the tests by this 5, 10 and 11, let us solve exercise. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.